Hi students, Mrs. Vandenberg here. This tutorial is for how to join Canva.com and unlock all the different templates so that you can use it to make assignments your teacher gives you. Here we go. In Google Classroom, your teacher will have posted a link for you to sign up to Canva. Get yourself over to Google Classroom and click that link. When you come here, you're going to click Continue with Google. You click your email address to confirm that it's you signing up for this. You should see a celebratory screen saying, "Welcome." We click Let's Go, and we're off and running. You could take the tour, but you don't have to. This is where your teacher might assign things for you. There's nothing here right now, but watch for it. Back at our home screen, we can see lots of different templates for what to make for class. This is where you'll come to find templates to make things your teacher assigns. You can watch the next video to see your specific instructions.